I'm Holden Ramey with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by Zoetis. Introducing a breakthrough in cattle deworming from Zoetis, the only prescription cattle dewormer with 2 active ingredients in 1 dose. Meet Valcor, Dormectin, and levamisole injection. Now you can achieve effective parasite control in 1 product instead of 2. It's never been easier to be tough on tough worms. Get tough today at valcortough.com. Do not treat cattle with Valcor within 15 days of slaughter. Not for use in female dairy cattle 20 months of age or older, including dry dairy cows. Not for use in beef calves less than 2 months of age, dairy calves, and veal calves. See full prescribing information at valcortough.com/PI. Carcass weights have no doubt been a significant factor within the live cattle complex as of late. From the beginning of February until the end of March, carcass weights increased 15 pounds. This is counter to the normal seasonal trend that would have carcass weights declining from the late winter into early summer. The most recent USDA data point had weights around 919 pounds, suggesting that the trend was starting to turn lower. The increase in carcass weights has been partially driven by the cattle staying on feed for more days. As of April 1, the volume of cattle on feed over 150 days was the 3rd largest on record. Another contributing factor was the moderated slaughter levels in March, though slaughter has improved throughout much of April. Carcass weights are expected to decline from now until the midsummer. However, even with a decline, weights will likely remain elevated from a historical standpoint. This will ultimately result in a few more pounds of beef hitting the market than initially thought and may be somewhat limiting from a price standpoint. Turning to this week's markets, active trade occurred in the north at 184 to 186 live and 294 dressed, mostly $1 to $3 firmer than last week. Moderate to active trade occurred in the south at primarily 182, which is mostly steady with a week ago. The live cattle futures complex is currently slated to finish higher on the week. June live cattle are currently trading around 178, while August is near 177. The feeder cattle index gained over $3 per hundredweight so far this week and is quoted around 245. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.